Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Casey's RV Adventures. So, we're just gonna not talk about the fact that we've been gone for like months, okay? Nah guys, like so much has happened, so many things have changed within the last 8 months since you guys last heard from us, but hopefully we'll be getting things started up again. We've definitely been doing some work between the last time, but just haven't got a video up on everything like that. But hopefully we are back. And yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for subscribing and supporting the channel, even though we haven't been here in so long. So I don't know what footage I have from the last time I recorded, but so far we have a lot of things installed now. Dylan is wrapping up some things with the wiring and the electrical situation, but we do have a lot of stuff installed. The windows are like sealed and secured. The roof is also secured and all good to go. We just gotta push through these last couple things and hopefully we'll get the designing and the fun part started. But I'll go ahead and put all the videos and everything like that and show you guys. So thank you guys so much again for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. So y'all, let's start from the front. This is what it looks like. Not much has changed since you last saw, but here's what this looks like. But here is what this part looks like. Obviously you see the cabinet is installed and everything like that. Same over here, installed. A lot of the foundation is back in. This is what this looks like. There's Dylan in the back. Dylan has reconstructed some parts of the RV. It's looking good. Here's everything over here. Also got this going on. Some cabinets in the making. I mean drawers in the making. The shower is beautiful. The bathroom in progress. And then here's the back. So as you can see, the cabinets are all installed. Dylan reconstructed this cabinet and kind of customize it a little bit differently than it was before, but that's what that looks like. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. I'll probably voice over some stuff I missed that I can't remember, but that's pretty much it, y'all. It's coming along. It's coming along. Any words?
No, I'm trying to get some air conditioning.
Okay. Alrighty. So guys, right now we are putting some walls up. Starting with this closet one here. We did all the measurements and we cut it and now it's in. Not permanently yet, but that's how it looks like. And then we got the baseboard of our closet here. This is the closet, by the way. And yeah, so far our measurements are looking pretty nice because in the past it's been kind of a little bit off. But you know, we're getting experience and it's been good so far. Yeah, this is what it looks like. We are getting a separate piece for this here. You won't see this part. It'll be like carpet and everything like that. So yeah.
All right, let's get ready to move it in.
Oh yeah. I agree.
Take a little bit off the bottom.
Okay, how much?
Just like
Okay. Round 2. So for today we are going to, everything is prepped and ready for painting. So that's basically what we're going to be doing today, is that we're going to be painting the whole RV, our white color. Yeah, so I don't remember how it looks from the last time. I never remember. So come on in, I'll show you how it looks. So we did a couple of priming on some of the cabinets already, so those are all ready to go for our white color. But as you can see, if you kind of look, everything is not painted just quite yet. We have painted and patched up everywhere that we wanted to patch up, and it's just all ready for painting. And that's it. So here we go. So guys, here is the first coat of primer. It's looking so good. Dylan did really good on this wall. I was just telling him that. Just one coat. It's coming together, y'all. It's coming together. Ooh, I'm so excited. Looking good. Sorry, I'm just really excited. But that's how everything looks.
Where's my phone at?
Looking good. Ooh. Wow, how do you feel, Dylan?